These 5 AI implementations have generated over $500,000 in savings and helped 26 businesses transform their operations and grow their company. And today I'm sharing these exactly 5 business areas which can deliver the highest return of investment. If you are new to this channel, I'm Anna Stepura, founder of Fortify.com. We help businesses identify where AI can scale their operations and grow their business. We work with different companies from Y Combinator, Algebra Accelerator, Techstars. If you want to find out where to implement AI into your business, just click the first link below and we will talk to you soon. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I share lots of information about AI for business. So we have 5 areas where AI can scale your business. Let's start with the common area, which is lead qualification. The difference between winning and losing in business comes down to the speed and personalization. Some companies use AI voice text systems to completely automate their lead qualification process. Stop hiring human appointment centers. If you are still relying on human appointment centers, you're losing money every single day. Because by the time they call, your lead has already moved on. They don't follow up properly. Most stop following up after 1 or 2 attempts, to be honest. They are expensive, they have salaries, commissions, constant training, and turnover. What you should be doing instead is take an AI appointment center that calls leads within 60 seconds after they fill out the form, qualifies them instantly and books the appointment. It follows up with calls, text messages on WhatsApp. That increases conversion rates for sure. It never takes a day off, never complains, and never stops working. And here's the best part, you own it for life. No salaries, no commissions, no hiring, no firing, just constant automation leading to appointments on autopilot. We helped implement an AI qualification system for many companies, but let me tell you that that's not for everybody. AI lead qualification is for businesses that have proven inbound lead flow from ads, organic, or referrals, can handle at least 50 appointments per month. AI lead qualification becomes more valuable as you get more leads. The second business area where AI can help you grow is customer support. When we are talking about implementing AI into your business, we are really talking about the places where it has some leverage. If you think about a large organization that switches to using AI customer support, putting an AI chatbot on their website, for example. This is just the first step. Then you need processes to analyze conversations and gain insights from that. And those insights come in 2 parts. One is that those insights tell you how to improve the chatbot, give some information about your business which is not included in knowledge base. So from those requests you can analyze and see, okay, we might give also this information, or this was some new updates which we have to implement into our AI system, which can deliver the great response to our customers. And the second part is that those conversations are an amazing source of business insight. If you think about it, those are people who come to you and complain about your product, or they explain what they would like to achieve. And in those insights are hidden ideas for your current product and future product features. Having only traditional current support in 2025 is a waste. Your team spreads precious time searching for customer information across multiple systems. They answer the same questions over and over again, copy-paste responses, and still miss details about customer issues. Each support ticket costs roughly 5 times more than it should be. The whole idea for this video is that you have to understand that automation with AI really makes sense when it's processes which costing you money and limiting your growth. And the third area for AI implementation is recruitment automation. With AI, hiring is no longer about reviewing hundreds of resumes, but deploying AI to find out your perfect candidates while you focus on moving the business forward. Manual recruiting will be very expensive for you. Your current process is costing you far more than you expect. So here is how AI can help you to solve this problem. First, you can implement AI for a screening system that processes applicants instantly once they arrive to your pipeline. Second, can also apply AI for messages, sending them to qualified candidates. And third, we can implement ranking to prioritize those candidates who really the best fit. Schedule the meeting with them, finding the availability on the calendar of the recruiter and also the available time for the candidate. And number 4 in our list is marketing automation. Now, marketing automation is kind of a buzzword. I'm a marketer, so I know that this is a huge area, but let me put it in proper context. Instead of manually posting every day, sending emails, replying to every comment, or tracking some analytics, marketing automation could be really game changer for you. When you implement marketing automation, each area delivers you specific benefits, and there's a lot of different areas. Let me tell you about a few. For example, social media automation. By scheduling posts and automating engagement responses, you save about 5 to 10 hours weekly while you maintain the consistency of your brand presence. And then it's lead nurturing automation. Instead of manually following up with prospects, you can of course AI power that process. And those follow-ups would be also very personalized. That's why it would be a high conversion. Next area is advertising campaign automation. You can begin with retargeting, and then you also can even end up with the whole process which would be powered by AI. Also, AI great for analytics and report automation. For small business owners, you need to really automate only those parts time-consuming and cost you a lot of money. If you don't have the huge lead flow, then do not automate the lead qualification process. The fifth and possibly the most transformative AI implementation is operation workflow automation. I know that it sounds very complex, but let me tell you in a simple words what does it mean. You really understand the whole workflow which is performed by people, you start to connect it together, and everything will be performed by AI. Some of them will call it AI agents, and about AI agents, the video you can see somewhere here. That's a huge area where it's either to build AI agent or to just automate the whole workflow inside of your company. And implementing operational workflow creates a return in 2 areas. First, you can lower your operational costs, really saves you lots of money. And second part, that this can help you to grow, because for AI it's not a big problem to really double down on that and increase, for example, follow-ups, make this process scalable. So this is the beauty of AI. Once you implement it, the scale is not a problem. But my suggestion is that you have to start with one process. You can really map this workflow, and then one by one you will start optimizing. So now you have these 5 areas for implementation where really it can bring you the highest return of investment and can save you hundreds of $1,000s. And you might be sitting and think like, yes, well, it sounds great, but I don't believe that AI can really make a huge difference in my business, and you're convinced yourself that you are an exception. You can discover much more in the next videos, and thank you so much for watching this. See you soon.